Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to start an AI movie review YouTube channel, avoid copyright issues, and grow quickly. Do you aspire to launch a review channel, much like the one we showcase, reeling in an astounding more than million views each month in the thrilling movie-related niche? You are in the right place. This comprehensive guide will teach you how to create content akin to the pros without the threat of copyright infringements and fast-track your channel's growth. Let us embark on this exciting journey. Before we dive into things, if you have an interest in staying up to date with the latest AI tools and discovering how to use them proficiently, you are in the correct spot. This channel is committed to delivering informative content and user-friendly tutorials. We kindly ask for your support by considering a subscription. Now, let us delve into the initial pivotal step, steering clear of copyright complications. The core of our approach revolves around utilizing music and images that come with the freedom for your creative expression. Yet, our primary emphasis is on incorporating concise snippets from movies. The magic lies in their brevity. Shorter clips significantly lower the risk of YouTube flagging your content for potential copyright issues. However, here is the hidden gem. Your content needs to be distinctive. To achieve this, you must integrate a voiceover and employ imaginative editing techniques during the post-production phase. This ensures that your video stands out as a unique creation, substantially reducing the likelihood of copyright conflicts. Remember, the goal is not just to avoid infringements, but also to produce content that is uniquely yours. This approach not only safeguards your video, but also elevates its creative value and impact. At the heart of your video lies the script, the building block of your content. Now, how can you obtain one? You have several options at your disposal. One straightforward approach is to enlist the help of ChatGPT to generate explanations for older films. It is a convenient method, but there is a caution. This technique is primarily suited for movies released prior to 2021. For more recent releases, you may find yourself rolling up your sleeves and diving into the film itself, meticulously crafting your very own script. An alternative avenue is to gather insights from articles or refer to the trusty IMDb for reliable information. Here is another ingenious approach. You can transcribe YouTube videos that provide explanations of the movie using dub website. This method enables you to access valuable insights and interpretations, which you can then use as a basis for your script. Each option provides a distinct way to obtain the script, ensuring you to have the necessary foundation for your content creation process. Now that you have your script ready, it is time to move on to the voiceover. This is where text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs step in to assist you. They provide a wide array of voice options for you to explore. Once you have made your voice selection, it is as simple as pasting your script and letting the tool work its magic. Here is a quick preview of what the generated voiceover might look like.
The Titanic is a well-known British-American film released in 1997, directed by James Cameron. It is a romantic drama that tells the story of the ill-fated maiden voyage of the RMS Titanic.
Next is music. When it comes to selecting the background music for your video, it is crucial to pick a soundtrack that aligns with the overarching theme and mood of your movie content. The choice of music has a profound impact on the viewer's experience, so it is a decision that should be made with careful consideration. To ensure a smooth and trouble-free experience with respect to copyright concerns, it is recommended to explore music on platforms explicitly designed to provide copyright-free options. Websites like Toontank or Pixabay offer an extensive array of music that you can seamlessly incorporate into your videos, all without the risk of encountering copyright claims. However, in the event that you encounter unexpected copyright claims pertaining to your chosen music, it is essential to be well versed in the tools and resources at your disposal for resolving these issues. Many platforms offer tools that aid content creators in addressing copyright concerns, enabling you to efficiently manage and resolve any claims that may arise. ensuring that your video remains accessible to your audience without disruptions. Now, let us delve into the intricacies of video editing. Your selection of video editing software largely hinges on your budget and personal preferences. Adobe Premiere Pro is a top-tier option for those seeking professional-grade editing capabilities. However, if you are mindful of your budget, consider the user-friendly and free alternative. CapCut. It is accessible for both Windows and Mac users, making it a versatile choice. With your chosen software in hand, the next step is to import your voiceover, movie clips, and background music. It is crucial not to overlook the significance of segmenting your video at regular intervals, typically every 5 to 10 seconds. This not only enhances the viewing experience, but also reduces potential copyright risk. To elevate the visual appeal of your video, infuse it with vibrancy by incorporating relevant images and engaging transitions. These elements breathe life into your content, ensuring it is both captivating and enjoyable for your audience. The art of crafting a captivating thumbnail can make a significant impact on your video's click-through rate. To begin, import a visually striking image from the movie into your preferred photo editor. Resize it to the standard 1920 by 1080 pixels and consider applying filters to enhance its visual appeal. The next step is to incorporate attention-grabbing text with a font and color that suit your video's theme and entice viewers. After you have masterfully edited your video and your thumbnail is poised to seize the audience's attention, it is time to upload your masterpiece to YouTube. This well-crafted thumbnail, coupled with engaging content, can significantly boost your video's visibility and appeal to a broader audience. And there you have it. You are now equipped with the knowledge to kickstart your very own review channel. Keep in mind that the foundation lies in sidestepping copyright concerns by incorporating free-to-use content, infusing distinctiveness through voiceovers, and unleashing the potential of creative editing. Now, step into the world of content creation, craft exceptional material, and watch your channel thrive. I am excited to hear your thoughts. Are you thinking about entering the world of creating AI movie review YouTube channel videos? Did you discover that crafting movie review content was an accessible and straightforward process? Your input is extremely important to me, so please feel free to share your comments below. Your individual viewpoints and personal experiences can offer valuable insights to those considering a similar journey into content creation. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.